It's not about whether you are choosing to be VP or not choosing to be VP. It's about principle.
You lobby it.
It's about principle.
Did you lobby to be?
Lobby to who? Now, I never lobbied. You saw the result. I never lobbied. Ask anybody. Now, to take that decision was difficult. But the decision has to be taken. And I looked at it. Atiku was not an option. Atiku was not an option. So it's a no-go area.
When did he stop being an option? Wasn't it after he dropped you as vice president?
When
he did not pick you as vice president?
No. In fact, let me tell you, from day one, I told Babu they came. I said, one thing you must know, Atiku does not keep to his words. I can tell you authoritatively what happened in 2019. Atiku, Olusegun Saraki, and Secondus came to see me that I was going to nominate Attorney General and the Minister of Petroleum. Saraki is alive. Now, when we lost the election, the man who was supposed to bring the Attorney General did not know when the legal team was constituted. And I laughed. I watched your television. I now called Saraki. People are considering legal team. And he said I was going to bring the Attorney General. This is the ocean. Now the point I'm making, people don't care. You see, when you see people, I know from day one that Atiku will never keep to his word. And I have never banked on that. I will not take his word to the bank. I will not do it. And so it was very clear. I made the right decision. And I stand by that decision. And you cannot see me now, having taken that decision in 2023, to now say, oh, I will support you for president. How?